Hey guys,
Welcome!
we are here and we are going to be showing you guys our Woot bag of crap.
Yeah!
It's a bag of crap that comes in a box of crap. It's a lots of crap.
From Woot,
Woot.
an Amazon company.
It's a woot.com bag
Yep.
of crap.
So bag of crap, it's only $10 and you never know what you're gonna get. They just shove a bunch of things in a box. You could get a bunch of crap. You could get some really cool stuff. I mean, I think it's pretty fun. You never really know.
But for $10 it's totally worth it. And that also includes shipping. So
You'll at least get your money's worth for sure.
exactly. And these pop up at random times on the woot.com website as well as in their app. So you never know when you're going to be able to snag one. If you're lucky enough to get one, this is kind of what is the idea of what would be in there.
They sell out.
They do.
They sell out.
All right, so we're going to show you.
them.
So the first thing that we got is this Woot bag. It is a reusable bag, perfect for grocery shopping. Oh.
Okay, first off, we got this Woot keychain with a light. It's got different settings, high, low, and flashy. Pretty sweet. We got a sticker pack. Looks like a Jurassic Park one that says RAR. I don't know what that is. N with some sort of antler monster. And then this one was super cool. It's the Princess Bride. We got this thing.
I'm
What is this?
super excited
this
about.
It's a like scope for your camera for your phone.
Yeah, so it's a mobile telescope. So it actually hooks onto your phone so you can like zoom in on bugs and ants and get those really close zoom shots, which is really awesome.
Cool. So there's that. It's got the caps. This came with it.
I've always wanted one, so I'm super excited that's in the box.
There you go. Your $10 worth right there.
Right?
We also got a little screwdriver set with all the different
Drill
bits. We got a Woot monkey.
He's a slingshot.
He's a slingshot. Little stuffed animal. I think he talks or makes noise or something. I don't know. Maybe not. We got this super sweet Imperial Defense System hat. Look, it's got the Death Star right there. Nice trucker hat. We got a little plushy figure.
It's a mustard guy.
The mustard.
With
It's
a face.
Colonel Mustard with a
Colonel Mustard.
wrench. Got a phone case.
It's a 6G. I have no idea what that goes
6G.
for.
6G phone case. This is pretty nifty.
Okay, I was really excited when I saw this. It looks like a Pandora bracelet.
I don't know if it is Pandora. Maybe it is.
I don't think it's
I don't know if
actually
it's legit or
Pandora
not.
because it doesn't have the stamp on it, but it looks identical to a Pandora bracelet. It even has the charms.
Yeah.
It's got the really heavy bracelet.
It is really heavy.
And it has like the same clasp. Yeah, it's awesome.
Purple
I
and
love
silver,
that.
and then this is like a magnetic clamp right there.
Super pretty. Love the purple charms.
Next, we got a Fitbit cover.
It's a silicone
Nice
cover.
silicone stretchy Fitbit cover.
I don't have a Fitbit, but I'm sure I know somebody who does. There you go, stocking stuffer. Bam.
We got a Get Well Panda Bear.
Panda.
It is electronic, but I don't think it has any batteries in it.
He's got a cute little panda face. And his little, what is that, sunflower? Sunflower says get well.
Yeah, or it's just a sun. I don't know.
Sunflower says get well. Get that to focus. There we go. Cute.
We got a smart
Smart
bulb,
bulb.
60 watt smart bulb. Let's open it up so you can feel like it's just a smart
Oh,
bulb.
it looks like a giant Christmas tree light, or Christmas light. It's totally like a giant Christmas light.
Huh.
Figure out how to use that, or where we could use that. Are you saving your favorite things for last?
Maybe. We got a pack of Pokemon cards.
Heck yes, you gotta catch them all. This is actually perfect for those of you that play Pokemon Go and are a little Pokemon obsessed.
We got a little multi-tool, the clamp, so you can attach it to your keychain. Remember, it's
Or
got
your
a
belt.
or belt. It's got a knife, scissors, bottle opener, and then it comes with a little case. Boom,
Those are always handy.
and that goes on your belt. Here is a mouse for your computer or laptop.
A wired mouse, and it actually glows. We plugged it in and it
Lights
glows.
up right around here. Actually says Woot.com on it. We got a selfie stick. What does the button do?
It
does
controls, it takes the picture.
Oh, it takes the picture? How does it take the picture?
It has a cord that comes with it. It's in the box.
Oh, cool. I've never really used a selfie stick, so I have no
I've never
idea.
used one either. I've just seen them used. So
It's in right there. Okay, cool. We got a meal prep box.
a box.
Box of boxes. So it's got a bunch of lids, a bunch of bottoms, so you can do some meal prepping or just use it for
Leftovers. Lunch at work, you know.
Yeah.
Basically anything you need. Actually, those would be great for camping too.
Yep. And then the last thing is this really sweet glass. It's a Star Wars glass. It's got Darth Vader, it says World's Greatest Dad, and he's making breakfast for Luke and Leia. They're in the background of the table.
Best dad gift ever.
That is so cool. I love it. This alone is worth the $10.
I agree.
All right, that was our bag of crap. Only $10 for all this stuff.
Yeah,
it's always a
$10,
surprise. Don't know what
free
you're gonna
shipping.
get.
It's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Get you one.
Get one. You can get one at the link in the description. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this.
Bye.
Bye.